Mom! Mom, can I go out and play?
Of course, Tom. Go out and play with them.
Hello? Can I play with you guys? Yes! Let's play! Wow! I want this! No, Tom! Wait! It's mine! It's mine! No! My toy! Tom is so naughty! I don't want to play with you anymore. Hey. Wait. I just want to play. It's so boring. Not fun at all. Play with me? No, Tom. You will break my toy again. I didn't mean to. I'm so sorry. Who cares? Am I a bad kid? I'll go home then. Who needs you anyway? Stupid door! So annoying! I hate you guys! Everything is so annoying! Nobody loves me! I don't need it!
What's going on, sweetheart?
I'm always grumpy and angry. I'm a naughty kid and nobody loves me.
Oh, Tom, even if you're grumpy, I will always love you, no matter what happens.
If I were a gray bear, would you still love me? Still care about me?
Of course. Even if you were a bear, I would still love you.
But if I turned into a bug, would you still love me and hold me in your arms?
Of course I would. But I just could hold you in my hands, not my arms if you were a bug.
No matter what happens, huh? What if I were a crocodile?
I would hold you tight and long and lull you to sleep every night.
What if your love is faded? Can it be broken? Can you fix it? Will it stay forever?
Oh, sweetheart, I'm not that powerful. I only know that I will love you for a long, long time, forever.
But when we disappear, will you still love me? Will your love last forever?
Tom, look at those stars. My love for you is like their light. It will never go out.
I love you, Mom. And thank you.
I love you too, my dear.
I feel better now, Mom.
I'm happy to hear so, Tom. Oh. Shall we clean?
Sure, Mom. Sorry about this, Mom.
It's okay. Just clean them. Drink a little of water, Tom.
Thank you, Mom.
Do you want to talk more?
No, I'm good, Mom. Thanks for your help.
Tom, remember to apologize to them.
Sure I will, Mom.
Okay, have fun.
Hi, it's me. What do you want? Sorry about your toy car. You can have mine. It's okay. Don't be naughty next time, okay? Hi, Tom. Hi, Tom. Come and play with us. Here. Nice pass. Playing is so tired, but it's so much fun. You are right, Tom. Stars, like Mom said. They are always there. Really? Let me see. My mom loves me. Always like the stars.
That's sweet.
Oh, it's late. Let's go home. Goodbye, guys. Okay, see you tomorrow, Tom. Goodbye. Bye. Hi, Mom. I'm home.
You are in time.
So, Did you say sorry to them? Did you have fun with your friends?
I said sorry to them and I had so much fun.
Wow, I'm so proud of you, my star. Let's go to sleep then.
Yes, Mom. Good night, Mom.
Good night, sweetheart.